Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming essentials: your Game Pass Ultimate, a signed-in Microsoft account, and the Xbox app on your phone. Open the Xbox app now and sign in. This links your profile and saves cloud settings. Make sure mobile data or Wi-Fi is on and plug in controllers via Bluetooth or USB. Pairing first saves input lag. Once done, tap the cloud icon in the app. That immediately lists playable titles and shows latency estimates so you know which games to try first. Next, configure streaming and controls. In the app settings, enable cloud gaming or remote play because this routes video and input through Microsoft servers for low latency. Pair your controller. Hold the pairing button until the LED blinks, then select it on your phone. Test inputs using a quick demo game. Optimize stream quality. Choose balanced for most networks or high for Wi-Fi over 10 Mbps to reduce stutter. Also, close background apps. Once done, return to the cloud library and launch a title. Finally, launch a cloud game and allow a short buffering period. You'll see video start and input become responsive. While playing, monitor the app's latency indicator and adjust stream quality if you notice lag. If video freezes, switch from mobile to Wi-Fi or vice versa, or close and reopen the app. These simple steps often fix connection drops. One key troubleshooting tip: if controller input is jittery, repair the controller and clear the app cache. That resolves most mapping or latency issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.